for you to get in the spirit, even though you won't be competing with us.
Before Dave, I think I'm a little bit ahead of you. Before you presenting me that, I already have an uprising T-shirt.
Whoa! Well, this is something my team didn't tell me. My team, where are you? You have this back. And look, I don't know if it's a coincidence, but we have Australia and India colours here. I don't know if that's a fluke or if that's maybe a chance to maybe get a bit of a game together.
Well, I really don't know about what the word Australia does, but we've seen every time Rohit get on the field against Australia. What do you do?
No, don't.
What happens to you when you get against Australia?
No,
The 200s only come out then.
I just love these guys too much.
That's exactly why you beat the life out of the team every time you get on the field. That's
No,
what
to
you
be
do.
honest, Australia is one of the difficult places to play cricket and the toughest place to play cricket because we, as the opposition and as a opposition team, we know that we don't get anything easy there. You have to work for your runs, you have to work for your wins because we all know how hard they play their cricket. So I always love going there and playing some cricket, and I don't mind teaching Dave, a thing or two here.
I love that. You know, I once in 2001 played some gully cricket, so I'm familiar with this term of gully cricket. I was in Jaipur and Varanasi, and look, I don't know if this store is going to be able to do it because it's quite small and a lot of people. But I wonder if we could maybe, if you could teach me a couple of things, we could throw a few balls over.
I think we'll have a nice trailer before India-Australia series.
You want to see that, but before that, gentlemen, I will have to bother you. You know, we are kind of already impressed the fact that you know gully cricket. I think Rohit and all of us being Mumbaikars, we know gully cricket more than anybody else. So we're going to teach you some rules about gully cricket. I'm sure you don't know all the rules. So we'll take you through that. But before that, after we move over there, this world is going to be very tough on the other side because it's India versus Australia. And you always know Rohit gets really energetic. So, we don't want to get the energy from there to this side. So in the meanwhile, before going over there, anybody from the media fraternity, if you want to ask some questions, you can always go ahead. Yes, sir. What's your question?
रोहित, सबके मन में एक ही सवाल है, आपके इंजरी का नेचर क्या है, इसके लिए आप इंग्लैंड कब जाओगे और कितनी निराशा हुई ये क्रिकेट आप मिस करोगे अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड और कब तक मिस करोगे?
देखिए अभी कब तक तो पता नहीं, अभी आई एम जस्ट हम लोग अभी हमारी बीसीसीआई की मेडिकल टीम सारे डॉक्टर्स के साथ टच में है और उन लोग बात कर रहे हैं डॉक्टरों के साथ कि अभी तक जो स्कैन्स हमने निकाले वो स्कैन्स सारे डॉक्टरों को भेजा है, तो हम वेट कर रहे हैं ओपिनियन उनका क्या होगा, सर्जरी करना पड़ेगा या नहीं करना पड़ेगा, सर्जरी अगर हमने किया तो कितना टाइम लग सकता है, क्या लग सकता है, अभी थोड़ा पिक्चर क्लियर नहीं है। आई थिंक 1-2 दिन में शायद पिक्चर काफ़ी क्लियर हो जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन है कि हमको सर्जरी करवाना है या नहीं करवाना है, क्योंकि सर्जरी अगर मैं करता हूँ तो शायद 3 महीना या आई थिंक 2.5 मंथ्स नहीं खेल पाऊंगा। तो वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग डॉक्टर के ओपिनियन का, तो लेट्स सी कि उनका ओपिनियन क्या होगा।
रोहित, मेडिकल टर्म में तो हमें पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं इसे, लेकिन हमने सबने देखा कि रन लेते समय आपको अपर थाई में थोड़ी सी तकलीफ हुई, क्या एग्जैक्ट नेचर है और आपको फील्ड में उतर समय क्या तकलीफ होती है?
नहीं क्या, आपने देखा ही जैसे ग्राउंड में मैं रन ले रहा था तो रन लेते लेते मसल पुल हो गया और मैं वो मुझे पता चला कि मैं क्रीज में पहुंच नहीं पाऊंगा, इसीलिए मैंने डाइव लगाया था वहाँ पर। तो उसके बाद हमारे फिजियो जो है पैट्रिक फराद जो टीम के साथ है इतने सालों से, उन्होंने बताया कि हमें स्कैन लेना ज़रूरी है और नेक्स्ट 2 दिन दिवाली था तो सारे मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल सारे बंद थे, तो हमें 1 तारीख को हमने स्कैन लिया और स्कैन लेने के बाद सारे जो रिपोर्ट्स आए वो हमने बीसीसीआई और मेडिकल जो उनकी टीम है ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब जगह उन्होंने मेडिकल रिपोर्ट भेजा।
थैंक यू।
रोहित, अगर ग्राउंड की बात करो, ग्राउंड में हर कोई आपको देखता है, लेकिन ग्राउंड के बाहर की बात करो तो कोई ऐसा लिंकअप या किसी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ नहीं रहता जैसे और क्रिकेटर देखते, क्या रीजन है? आप सिर्फ क्रिकेट में फोकस करता है कि और कुछ?
नहीं मैं समझा नहीं आपका।
Can you be a little louder? थोड़ा जोर से।
ग्राउंड में हर कोई आपको दिखता है सिर्फ रन में या बैटिंग में फोकस करता
हाँ जी।
है, ग्राउंड के बाहर कोई ऐसा लिंकअप या किसी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ इस तरह से कुछ खबरें नहीं आती, क्या रीजन?
अरे भाई मेरा शादी हो गया, मनवाओगे क्या?
सर आपको बड़ा इंटरेस्ट है इनके लिंकअप में है।
Rohit, you are also the captain of Mumbai Indians, and Hardik Pandya has played under you. Now he has got his first call for test matches.
Yeah.
What do you think? What differences? What change has he brought in that he's bowling that quickly? And you were part of that one-day team where he bowled 140 km/h. So what has he brought? Like what changes has he brought in, and how do you see? Can he get a chest cap and like?
Yeah, see, I mean, we all are waiting. I hope he gets his test cap, maiden test cap. It will be a very good news to all his fans and his family and his friends. But see, he's got real talent. He's got all the talent in the world. He bowls fast and he's got a good ability down the order to come and score runs. He's done it for his state team, and so I don't see any reason why he can't do it for his national team also. We have seen, you know, glimpses of his performance in World T20 and also the one-day series we played recently. So I think, you know, it's just that one push he needs from the management and the players. You know, he's got all the weapons he needs. You know, with him for the fight. So I think I hope and I wish him all the very best, because I've seen him close. I've seen him in close quarters, and I understand. You know, he had recently a successful tour of Australia with India A-Day, and he did pretty well there. So which is why I think, you know, he stood a chance to be selected for this first two test matches. I think if he gets an opportunity, I'm sure he'll do well.
Rohit, you spoke
Thank you.
of playing against Australia, the challenges of playing against Australia. What about the English team? You've played against them before. They've played well in India. How do you look forward to the five-match series?
Yeah, see, I'll be looking forward to it from my house, unfortunately. But yeah, see, I think they are a very good test team, no doubt about it. When they were here last time, they beat us. So we've got a lot of work to do, and we understand their strength and their weaknesses as well. So we have to try and exploit that and use it to our advantage. I think it will be important to play how we are playing recently, not to worry about, you know, what they have and what they want to do and, you know, what they can do and things like that. It's very important that we focus in our group, and whatever strengths we have, we try and focus on that. There is a reason that we are number one test team in the world today. So let's try and continue. I feel that, you know, I think, given all the conditions and you know, the experience, I think the dominance of Indian cricket should continue for the rest of the year till we finish Australia series. But I hope, I mean, it's not going to be easy. We are talking about test cricket here. It's not going to be that easy. We have to just put our right foot forward and take it as it comes.
You know what? Yeah, I'll definitely give you a chance. But then, you know, instead of making this as a forum to discuss Rohit's plans with the Indian team and their strategies, we'd rather want to appreciate some questions that come around for this beautiful store. Yeah, look at Adidas home court. Look at the store. Look at the beauty. So, you know, if we have questions that surround that, if we have questions for Dave, you can definitely ask, because this is never ending. We'll keep asking Rohit, आप इसको कितना मारोगे, इसको कितना रन मारोगे, ये क्या होगा? But then we'd really appreciate if we have questions around Adidas at the same time, because we're running really late on schedule. Mumbai needs so many stores today, and I think we're running on a big schedule today. So anybody who has a question that side, we'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, we can always catch up some other place. Jaldi पूछो. पूछिए. Anybody?
To stand by the store.
Anybody who has questions for that? If not, then maybe we could take the other cricketing questions some other time, but not today. So I think that'll be a wrap. I think we have no questions, but we'd need a photo op firstly, and then we move to the big match, India versus Australia. Yeah, let's do this. Easy. Hold on.